Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all a-okay. Today we're doing a makeup tutorial, which is why I've got my nice little bare face. I'm really into like the 90s at the moment, because I mean the greatest person to ever have lived was born there. It's me. I'm on about me. No, I'm really obsessed with like the 90s at the moment, and I have a new hairstyle that I'm obsessing with as well. It's not this, don't worry, I'm going to include it at the end. And it just reminds me of the 90s, so I thought I'd do a tutorial kind of like inspired by the 90s, quite like coolish toned, and just have a little bit of fun today. But if you guys are interested in getting a look from the thumbnail, then please keep watching. makeup and hair tutorial on like a 90s kind of like look. This hoop, honey, stick. Why are you not staying in? I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I do have a discount code for Look Fantastic. Oh, finally hooking you guys up with some discount codes. So you can pick up this and a lot of other stuff as well. Like there's loads of makeup and everything, but I mean, I'm obsessed with this kind of like crimped hair. All I need now is like some tinsel in my hair, which I will be doing soon. Don't you worry. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this, and until next time, I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.